The biggest news today is coming from Iran, where tensions between Iran and the United States are increasing. This is because Iran has clearly refused to participate in the second round of peace talks that were supposed to take place between the US and Iran. As a result, a series of threats has begun from both sides. Donald Trump has said that if Iran rejects his nuclear deal, then he could destroy every power plant and every bridge in Iran. And he also added that he will no longer act like a nice guy. On the other hand, Benjamin Netanyahu has also warned Iran, saying that the fight against Iran is not over yet, and new developments could emerge at any moment. The situation still remains uncertain. New developments can unfold at any moment. Who knows what will happen tomorrow or the day after? Meanwhile, Iran's chief negotiator and parliament speaker Mohammad Bagher Ghalibaf has said that Washington is trying to turn the negotiations into a table of surrender. He added that if fighting with the United States resumes, Tehran is preparing to play new moves on the battlefield. He also made it clear that no talks will happen until the US lifts its naval blockade. So once again, the exchange of threats has intensified from both sides, and all of this is happening at a time when the ceasefire deadline, April 22nd, that is today, Wednesday, is about to expire. Trump has also warned that if this fragile ceasefire ends without any agreement, then a lot of bombs will start dropping. Tensions are continuously rising, and all of this has happened over the past 3 to 4 days. Around 3 to 4 days ago, Iran reopened the Strait of Hormuz, after which ship movement resumed, and even the stock market showed positive signs. However, the United States continued its naval blockade in the Gulf of Oman, and after that, on April 19th, Iran suddenly closed the Strait of Hormuz once again. Along with this, Iran warned that if any vessel moves in this region without permission, it will be considered as cooperating with the enemy and action will be taken against it. After this warning, Iranian Revolutionary Guard gunboats stopped several commercial vessels and even opened fire on some of them. These included both oil tankers and cargo ships, forcing many vessels to turn back. Following this action by Iran, the United States further tightened its naval blockade. During this period, the US Navy intercepted an Iranian cargo ship named Tuska, damaged it, and took control of it through US Marines. After this incident, tensions escalated even further, due to which Iran refused to participate in the peace talks. The United States has already sent a delegation, including Vice President J.D. Vance, to participate in the talks, but there has been no confirmation from Iran on whether it will send any delegation to Islamabad for negotiations. On this, Xi Jinping has stated that normal passage through the Strait of Hormuz should be maintained. So tomorrow is going to be very important. If peace talks do not take place soon between the two countries, it could have a serious impact on global oil supply and the world economy. The global economy could even collapse. From now on, we will continue to understand daily news with the help of map animations. If you like the video, make sure to like it. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.